Hi guys, and welcome to another video. After 4 years since its first debut, BMW Motorrad brings some much needed updates to the G310 GS for the 2021 model. Designed to deliver the GS experience to newcomers, the G310 GS continues to be compact, robust, and highly versatile model, whether used in traffic, leisure rides, or even some light off-roading. The improvements begin with the new LED headlights with daytime driving lights and LED turn signals, now giving it all LED illumination. It has also been repositioned to reduce vibration to create a clear and focused beam. Both the clutch lever and the handbrake lever are now adjustable in 4 stages, making it easy for riders of various builds and sizes. Design-wise, BMW continues to ensure it carries GS DNA with its characteristic windscreen, high front fender, striking flyline, and short, high rear end, all of which are main elements of the large BMW R1250 GS models. It's powered by a single-cylinder engine that meets Euro 5 emission standard. It's been fitted with automatic idle boost and an electromotive throttle controller. The heart is a 313cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 4 valves, 2 overhead camshafts, and electronic fuel injection. This produces 34 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 28 Nm at 7,500 RPM. Its new electronic throttle grip now offers even more sensitive throttle response. Automatic idle speed increase when starting also prevents a possible sudden stalling of the engine. There's also additional self-boosting, anti-hooping clutch that reduces engine drag torque and provides a significant increase in driving safety, particularly during the braking while downshifting. An added benefit is making the clutch lever lighter. The G310 GS comes in 3 color variants. It's offered in a plain polar white with gray accents. In a alloy trim, the frame is painted red with cyanide blue metallic contrast. BMW is also offering a 40 years GS edition, which is a black and yellow. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.